Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking pizza cheesesteak sandwiches. This takes what you love about cheesesteaks and adds a pizza twist. To start, slice one onion into strips. Next, take a piece of ribeye that's been in the freezer for about 20 minutes to firm up. Slice into thin strips. Season with some black pepper, then some garlic salt. Mix the steak through the seasoning. Next, light a chimney of charcoal. I'm using Clean Heat charcoal. Place a cast iron pan over the heat, then add a splash of olive oil, followed by the onion. Cook the onions until they begin to soften. Once they start to soft, move them to the edge of the pan to make room for the steak. Add the steak to the pan and brown on all sides. Once the steak is mostly brown, mix it with the onions. Once the steak and onions are cooked, make 2 piles. This will make it easier when you go to serve. On each of the piles, add some hot salami, followed by some tomato paste. Next, some mozzarella. Finally, some provolone. Let the cheese melt into the steak and onions. All that's left to do is to serve it up in a long roll. There you have it, pizza cheesesteak sandwiches. These are truly tasty. It takes everything you love about cheesesteaks and adds a pizza twist. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.